What are some healthy snack alternatives to curb cravings?
Okay, hi. Once again, let's talk about your fitness journey. Okay, so may question tayo dito. Okay, coach, paano ko ma-overcome yung cravings ko? No? Alright, so every individuals, no? Meron, iba-iba naman yung mga diets natin or nutrition natin. Like, meron mga individuals na talagang everyday, talagang may sugar, palagi sila, no? Or talagang yung mga saturated fats, no? Animal fats, no? Or trans fats, right? So, the best thing that you can do is, sabi ko nga, hindi naman siya mababago agad. Okay? It's a habit that you need to change, okay? Slowly. Right? Alright? So, siguro, bawas-bawasan na natin yung mga sugary products, okay? So, yung mga portion muna, and then eventually, yung frequency of eating sugar or too much fats on a weekly basis or on a daily basis, no? Alright? And then, yung mga healthy options naman, depende naman sa individuals yun. Okay? Kung saan sila mag-enjoy. Always remember, okay, the best diet is the food that they enjoy. Okay? So, depende na lang kung ano yung gusto nilang snack, okay? Alternative snack, okay? For example, compared to like sugar or like ice cream, okay? They can take fruits, okay? So, matamis din naman yun, no? Pero at least hindi siya like pure sugar, okay? Enjoy!
Leave your questions in the comment section below.
Thanks for watching.